What's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey, the Phone Trader channel, man. And we back with another banger, man. Shout out to y'all, man. We finally, baby, we hit 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Man, thank y'all so much. The live stream yesterday was lit, man. If y'all don't know, go back and check that live stream out, man. Me and my wife was doing Spark yesterday, and I decided to go live, man. And I'm like, hey, man, let's go live. We only need 6 more subscribers, man. And people showed up and showed out, man. They supported me and everything, man. Even got some super chats, man. Shout out to One Stop Trader, man. Man, it feels so good, y'all. I feel blessed. I feel humble, and I'm thankful, y'all. We hit 1K subscribers yesterday on the live stream, man. I'm like, hey, man, go tell your mama, your daddy, your cousins, your second cousins, your third cousin, your brother, your sister, your meemaw, your pawpaw. Go tell everybody to subscribe to Corey the Phone Trader channel, man, so we can get monetized. I know me. Once I start seeing these little $5, $10, hey, man, it ain't even gotta be a lot. Once I start seeing this little itty bit of money coming in, oh, we lit. Oh, we finna post content about everything. Tell me about it. I'm finna do skits. We finna do trading, day in the life. Hey, we finna turn up, man. We finna bust out to the moon, baby. We finna do it, y'all. Nevertheless, man, I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. But we are currently in a trade on the My Funded Futures Starter Plus account, eval. And I just need 2K. I need $2,000 to pass this thing today. That's what I'm looking for, man. So call me crazy, but I'm in sales, man. NASDAQ is at all-time high right now. I told y'all when this normally happens, it retraces. We're going to see if I'm right or not. I could be wrong. Hey, it is what it is. But we in a trade right now, and I'm getting ready to show you. So let's switch. All right, y'all. So we are currently on the 1-hour time frame on NASDAQ. Call me crazy, but as soon as the market opened, y'all, at 8:30 this morning, boom, it took off to the moon, man. I'm like, I was so nervous at getting in right here because I didn't know whether we was gonna sell off, to be honest, y'all. I didn't expect this, y'all. This thing is pumping, and I mean shooting to the moon, man. So I told y'all, this is what I'm looking for. Remember, I told y'all when news happen or there's a big push in NASDAQ, when there's like a huge sell-off or a huge push, it loves to retrace all of that move. So I'm in, y'all. Right now, we're currently up $150. I'm risking, y'all, call me crazy, I'm risking $1,000 on this trade. This is the My Funded Futures eval. This is the Starter Plus account that I'm trying to pass. I'm risking $1,000 to make $2,000 to try to pass this thing, y'all. I'm going for it, man. I'm gutsy. Call me crazy, but I'm going for it because NASDAQ loves to do this. Could I be wrong? Yes, I could be very wrong. It could go against me. So it's like the same $1,000 I made yesterday. If I'm risking that, and if I lose it, the account be at break even. I mean, it is what it is, man. I told you I'm shooting for the stars. I'm shooting for the moon, man. So I think this is a good trade. I didn't get in down here, but boy, I would have passed a bunch of accounts had I had a biased mindset. After I started seeing all this, I said, oh yeah, this thing gonna die down, and it possibly might want to retrace. I'm gonna wait. So I got in. I did 2 white lines, one white line at the full body candle and one white line at the wick. I got in at the wick. I got in at the full body. I should have got in at the wick, but I started seeing hard retracement. I'm like, well, I don't like that. It might leave without me. Let me go to the full body and let me get in there. So I ended up getting in for this trade, y'all. We up almost $200, but I'm aiming for a 1 to 2, 2.6. That'll cover fees and stuff. I'm looking for the market to retrace that whole move. NASDAQ loves doing this. It loves to retrace a big move. So that's what we got going on, y'all. It's 9:23 a.m. Yeah, man. We just been playing around in this area on NASDAQ 1 hour time frame, and boy, when the market opened, it shot to the moon, y'all. Man, that thing shot out the gate. Boy, I wish I would have got in on all my accounts, man. I said, you know what? I'm just going to wait and be patient. There's no rush, man. But I know that after a big move like this, there's some retracement coming. I pray and hope, man, this thing hit my TP, because I really want to pass this thing. I really want to fund it, my funded futures accounts, man. Then I have 3 funded accounts. If I can pass, when I pass this thing, let's switch our talk. When we pass this thing, just don't know if it's going to be today. But I'm going to hold this. It's either going to have to, because it's end of the day, guys, I don't care, man. If it was intraday, it'll be a different story. But since this is end of the day drawdown, we're going to hold this thing. If it's going to have to hit my stop loss if it's going to come stop me out, I am going to hold this. I'm not going to move nothing unless I see like some hard retracements and stuff. But I'm going to trust this, man. I'm going to trust the process, man. I said, normally when there's a big move with NASDAQ, it loves to retrace that whole move. It loves to either retrace, it'll come to the full retracement, or halfway and then take back off to the other way. So I'm banking on this, man. We will see, man. I really hope this pan out, because I really want to pass this thing today, man, and trade with all funded accounts. So we will see, guys. I will keep you guys posted, man. Hey, I need you to go down, man. Don't come back up. I'll keep you guys posted, man. Let you know what's going on. 9:25. We will see. 9:31. Uh-oh. Come on, man. We almost there. Come on. Get down there. All right, y'all. I can't be stupid. I got to take profits, man. I'm going to put this at a 1-to-1. So if it comes stop me out, I'll take that, man. So I have my stop loss at $1,000. I can't be stupid. Like, that's dumb. I gotta take profits, man. Come on. Oh, we almost there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go, get down there. Touch it, man. I need 2K. 2K. Come on, man. Oh my gosh, we almost there, man. Come on, dog. Come on, bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, we almost there. Come on, market. Come on, dog. No. Go down there, man. Come on, man. Oh my gosh. Don't do this. We almost had it. Come on, man. This man, bruh. Go. Come on, man. Don't do me like this, man. NASDAQ, you was almost at my TP. Come on, man. I trust you. I believe in you. I know you gonna sell down there. I know you want to, man. I know you want to, man. Come on, man. Y'all, I ain't finna stop recording, y'all. We're gonna hold this thing. Come on, man. Get down there, bro. Oh my gosh. Jeez. That sucks, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me make sure I cover fees and stuff, man. That's too close. I gotta zoom all the way in, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, somewhere in there. I don't know. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You want to go down there, don't you? You want to go down. I know you do. Let me talk to you. Come on, baby. Go down there. Maybe if I rub you. Come on. Get down there. You know you want to. Come on. No, you better not. Come on now. Come on. There you go. Come on. Get down there. Maybe if I rub you a little bit. Come on, girl. You know you want to do it. You know you want to get down there. You know you want to, man. Come on, man. Get down there. Come on. Oh, man. Don't chop with me, man. Come on, give me another hell of a hard push, man. Come on, man. Come on. Get down there. Come on, you can do it. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Come on. We're not gonna stop recording until you do. What are you waiting for? Come on. Just a little bit more. Come on. We almost there. Come on. Bingo. Oh, where we at? Bingo. We passed it, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. My funded futures eval passed. Yes, sir. Boy, that was a hell of an analysis, baby. Yes, sir. That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it. Anything is possible, man. Hold up, man. Ooh, yeah. Whew. Oh, yeah. I'm okay, thank you. Yeah, that was a little tough. I'm okay. Whoo-wee. Gosh, boy. That was the sweat. Oh, you want to know? I'm okay. That was a little stressful. Dang, somebody else. I'm all right. We passed. Thank you. Sheesh. Woo-wee. Boy. Man, I'm playing, y'all. Man, we passed it, y'all. Woo-wee. Man. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know that video game, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let me make the beat for you. Mission pass. Mission pass with a plus sign, man. Man. What a morning, man. Shoot, today is a great day. We hit 1,000. We hit 1,000 wow. 1,000 wally. We hit 1,000 wow subscribers, y'all. I can start getting officially paid for making videos. Y'all, I'm finna turn up. I'm finna make so many videos. I can make all my videos from my phone. I can edit from my phone, post on YouTube from my phone. I trade from my phone. I can do everything from the phone. Cause you wanna know why? Cause my name is Corey, the phone trader. This is the channel where we do everything with cell phones, man. Who you think you is? Who you think I am? We that dude, man. Y'all, I'm turned up. And finally, we see daylight, man. Jeez. Finally, some big moves, man. I believe it got something to do with the tariffs and stuff like that. What Trump got going. Hey, Trump, shout out to you for moving the market. I don't know whether it was you or not, but hey, at 8:30 this morning, the market shot straight out of the cannon, y'all. And I know, man, it never fails. When NASDAQ make huge bullish moves like that or huge sale positions like that, it always makes it up, man. Sorry. That's crazy. It's like, I knew it was going to do that. It's known, NASDAQ is known for that. It's known for, after a huge move, it's got to make most of it up, and then it'll take off back the other way. I was counting on that sale, man. I was counting on that all-time high being hit, and then it was just gonna sell off. It's like it had to like take that liquid zone. It just had to go right above it, go above it. Got you, boom, and then it just dropped off, man. Man, good day today, y'all, man. And shout out to you guys again for giving me 1,000 wow subscribers, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm blessed. I'm thankful, y'all. I'm turned up, man. It's like, man, I could get paid some type of money for streaming now, man, for putting out videos. Man, y'all, I got like some skits I want to do. I want to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff, man. I think I'm an entertainer. I'm finna entertain. That's what I'm good at. I love putting a smile on people's face. I love making people laugh, man. I just love having a good time, man. This is why I believe that I'm walking in my destiny and my purpose. Y'all, I used to be a class clown. I didn't get a lot done in school. I was one of them cats like, man, forget this school work, man. Let me make somebody laugh, man. Like, I was one of them guys, man. My favorite subject was math. That was about the only thing I liked and was good at when I was in school. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My high school year, my freshman year, I had made honor roll. But the sophomore, junior, and senior, my junior year was horrible. I had all type of C's and D's and F's on my report card, but I brought my F's up to D's because I ended up doing extra credit, and they ended up still passing me. Man, it's just like I didn't care, man. I was more interested in other stuff, man, doing stupid stuff. But any kids listen, check this out. Y'all make sure you get your schoolwork done, listen to them teachers, man, and be somebody and do something with your life. Don't be like me, man. I'm having to find different avenues because I didn't want to do my classwork. I'm like, hey man, hey man, well, hey, what's the answer to number 1? Hey girl, what's the answer to number 5? Let me see your paper. I give you $1 when snack time comes, so you can get you a snack. Used to do that stupid stuff all the time, man. Making deals to cheat, dummy. But man, I'm blessed. I'm thankful, guys. Thank you guys again for 1,000 subscribers, y'all, man. Oh man, bro, I'm so happy, man. I feel good this morning. I feel blessed. I feel thankful. You guys supported your boy, man. Y'all been rocking with me, man, and I greatly appreciate that, y'all, man. Man, you guys stay tuned because we finna turn up, boy. We finna go 10. We finna go donkey. We finna go ham. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader guy, coming out. Y'all, it's lit. We lit, baby. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. You know what that is. You know what I do after every video, man. And I holla. Peace out, baby. We out of here. Until next time. 1K subscribers, baby. We finna turn up. And we got 3 funded accounts. Oh, yeah. We in there, baby. Yes, sir. Peace.